Hi, this is Mr. Cement, and I'm recording from my home studio in Pilsen. Hola, soy el maestro Cement y estoy grabando desde mi estudio en el barrio de Pilsen. I wanted to do an art project with the entire Nightingale community to show that we are all in this together. Quería hacer una obra de arte para toda la comunidad de Nightingale para mostrar que todos estamos unidos durante estos tiempos. I figure we can do a Nightingale Shield. And once we get back into school, we can all wear it to show that we got through this together. Y espero cuando ya regresemos a la escuela podemos demostrar nuestros escudos para enseñar que superamos todo esto. I'm not that good at sewing, so this was definitely a challenge, but all challenges lead to us learning a little bit more about ourselves. And so I wanted to do this project. Yo no soy el mejor para tejer. Fue un reto, pero como todos los retos, salimos ganando y aprendiendo más sobre nosotros. And with that said, I'm going to show you how to make a Nightingale Shield. Y con eso les voy a enseñar cómo hacer un escudo de Nightingale. The materials that we're going to use are, los materiales que vamos a usar son, we're going to use thread, felt, glue, color pencil, a needle, and some scissors. Vamos a utilizar hilo, tela, resistor blanco, un color de lápiz, una aguja y tijeras. So the first thing that we need to do is I need to fold my piece of paper into fours. Lo primero que tenemos que hacer es dividir nuestro hoja en cuatro. Once you folded your paper into fours, we are only going to use one section to draw our shield. Ya cuando terminan de doblar su hoja para cuatro partes, solamente vamos a usar una parte para dibujar nuestro escudo. Okay? Get a pencil and I want you to lightly sketch your shield. Agarra tu lápiz y quiero que dibujas tu escudo. If you need help drawing your shield, you can look on the internet for some examples of how to draw shields. Si necesitas ayuda en dibujar tu escudo, puedes buscar una imagen por internet para que te pueda ayudar. Okay, once you're done drawing your shield, you are going to cut your shield out of your paper. Ya cuando terminan de dibujar su escudo, van a cortar el escudo del papel. Once you're done cutting out your shield, you are going to get the color of the shield first. Okay, ya cuando terminan de cortar su escudo, van a escoger el color que quieren su escudo y lo van a trazar. Then you're going to trace it. Once you're done with your shield, we're gonna cut out the letter N. Ya que terminan su escudo, vamos a cortar la letra N. Once you finish cutting the letter N and your shield, I want you to put a little bit of glue on the letter N just so that it can stick to the back of the shield and it's a little bit easier while we sew. Ya que terminan de cortar la letra N, quiero que pongan un poquito de resistol en el escudo para que sea más fácil a la hora de tejer. Once you glue the letter N onto the shield, we're going to start to stitch. Ya que pusieron resistor en la letra N en el escudo, ya vamos a comenzar a tejer. Okay. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a needle, scissors, a little piece of paper that will be able to go through the eye of the needle, just like this. And some thread. Okay, van a utilizar tijeras, una aguja, un papelito que les puede ayudar a insertar la aguja y hilo. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get some string and you want to cut about maybe 30 inches of it. Okay, quieren cortar como 30 pulgadas.
Little. Okay.
You're going to use your little piece of paper and you are going to put the string inside of the paper. Okay. Van a poner el hilo adentro del papelito, just like that. And then you are going to push the paper through the eye of the needle. Okay. Y luego vas a insertar el papel adentro de la aguja. Okay. This makes it a lot easier to thread your needle. Esta es una manera muy fácil para insertar la aguja. Okay. You can also just not use the piece of paper and thread the needle that way. Okay. También puedes, no es necesario usar el papelito para insertar la aguja, lo puedes nomás insertar así solamente. Okay. So and then you pull it out, pull a little bit of a tail, and then you want to make sure you want to get all the way to the end. Quieres llegar hasta el final. And you want to tie a knot at this end. Y quieren amarrar un nudo en este punto. Okay. Okay, now once we have a knot on this end and we have a little tail on this end, we are good to go. Ya que tenemos un poquito de hilo en este lado y ya tenemos nuestro nudo de este lado, ya podemos comenzar. Okay, we are going to do a running stitch. It's a very simple stitch. It's a stitch that just goes up and down, up and down. Vamos a usar un tejido muy fácil, solamente que sube y baja para tejer nuestro escudo. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is start at the corner. Okay, lo primero es comenzar en la esquina de la letra N. And you want to start from the back. Quieres comenzar por atrás. And you want to push the needle up. Okay, be really careful with the needle. Ten mucho cuidado con la aguja que no les vaya a picar. Okay, you want to pull your string all the way up.
Good.
Okay, once you're done, you're gonna bring the needle back down. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna go all around the edge of the letter N. Vamos a ir a la orilla de la letra N y vamos a volver a bajar con nuestra aguja. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfecto. Okay, you want to make sure that the knot is still there. Quieren asegurar que el nudo todavía está ahí. And we are good to go. Now we're just gonna go again. We're just gonna go all the way around the edge, up and down. Solamente lo que vamos a hacer es ir alrededor de la letra, subiendo y bajando con nuestro hilo. If you notice that it's knotting up, just be really careful and untie the knot. You're still good to go. Now that you're coming towards the end, you want to make sure that your needle ends all the way in the back of your shield. Okay, ya que vamos a terminar, quiero que aseguren que su aguja terminan atrás de nuestro escudo. Okay, now that you're done, you want to go through one of the little hoops you made and tie a knot. Okay, quiero que pongan su aguja y hacer un nudo. Once you do one, just to secure it, you should probably do another one. Okay, ya que lo aseguraron con un nudo, lo podrían hacer otro nudo para asegurarse. Once you're done, all you have to do is cut it off. Ya que terminan, solamente lo tienen que cortar. Okay, now we just finished stitching the letter N. Now I'm just going to show you another stitch just so that we can wrap a thread around our shield, just like this. Okay, so if you have a different color, you can use a different color. If not, you can use the same color string. Ahorita les voy a enseñar cómo terminar el escudo con otro color de hilo. Okay, so I have already a yellow cut. Okay, and I'm gonna use my little paper. Ya tengo un pedazo de hilo cortado y voy a usar mi papelito. And I am gonna insert it into the needle. Y ahorita lo voy a insertar en la aguja. Again, pull off a little tail. Acuérdense asegurar que le sacan un poquito. And this stitch is called a wraparound stitch. And all we're going to do is start again from the bottom, and we're just going to wrap around the edge of our shield. Esto es un tejido muy fácil. Solamente vamos a ir a la orilla de nuestro escudo para terminarlo. Y acuérdense que siempre vamos a comenzar por atrás de nuestro escudo. Make sure you have your knot at the end of your string. Asegúrate que tienes tu nudo al final de tu hilo. Okay, And the same motion we're gonna go up and down. La misma manera que lo hicimos, vamos a ir hacia arriba, hacia abajo. Okay, now that we're getting closer to the end again, you want to make sure that your needle finishes in the bottom. Okay, so all I'm going to do is going to put it going down. Okay, and then I'm going to tie a knot with one of the loops that's already on the back side. So, queremos asegurar que nuestra aguja quede por atrás para poder amarrar un nudo. Okay, once you're done, you can cut the string. Ya que terminan, pueden cortar. Okay, and great job. Okay, if you need, this is a very challenging project, so if you need help, please ask an adult or somebody who's familiar with stitching or sewing. Este es un proyecto tal vez un poco difícil. Si necesitan ayuda, por favor, pídenles ayuda a un adulto o alguien que sabe tejer. And I know this is a challenging project, but remember, we need to challenge ourselves so that way we're able to grow and learn. Sé que este proyecto tal vez es un poco difícil y va a ser un reto para muchos, pero deberíamos de retarnos para mejorar y aprender más. Okay, so with that, I hope everybody is well. I hope everybody is safe, and I look forward to hearing from you via email or in the comments. And just remember, we're in this together. Okay? Espero que todos estén bien. Si tienen alguna preguntas, me pueden mandar un correo electrónico o pueden dejar sus comentarios abajo del video. Y acuérdense que todos estamos unidos en esto y espero que todo salga bien. Great job.